Hey, I'm JJ. I'm a client of Fund and Grow. Before I found Fund and Grow, I was a corporate HR executive. I was flying to 9 states, dealing with people back and forth, working 24/7 it seemed like, and I knew I had to do something different, so I kept hearing that real estate was the way. My first deal, I used my 401k, and I figured out that probably wasn't the best way. So I happened into Fund and Grow, and once I found Fund and Grow, it just catapulted me to the next level, because I was able to use the Fund and Grow method, use the Fund and Grow cards, get the points on the card, and just start making deal after deal after deal to make things happen for myself without using my 401k money. So I still have that nest egg to deal with. The beauty about using the cards and the Fund and Grow method is you just put whatever money you need to, you send it through a wire transfer through plastic. The bank doesn't care. They don't know where it's coming from. They know it's coming from a wire transfer. They don't know it's coming from a credit card. Not only am I using that credit card to fund my deals, but I'm also getting points that I can use down the road for whatever I choose to use them on, right? Depending on what card you have. So, I know a lot of you guys have probably been told that you got to work at a job and be a slave to a job and trade time for money. You do not have to do that. If you use the Fund and Grow method, it'll prevent you from not having to do that. If you do things right, if you just follow through with the methods that you're taught with Fund and Grow, it will take you from having essentially nothing to building some extreme wealth. And mark my words, if you just get involved in the process, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, get off the couch, number one, and quit scrolling through Facebook, sign up with Fund and Grow, follow the method, you will build yourself wealth. I guarantee it. Just follow the method. That's all you got to do.